Yeah, as you can see, I'm hanging out outside on the porch, and it's kind of rainy out today, this afternoon. And I need to get out to the studio to work on videos. That kind of stinks. But I've got my buddy. What you doing, Bridge? What you doing? Hanging out here on the porch? What are you doing? What are you doing, silly girl? Hi! As I'm sure you all know, I love the rain. So just hanging out on the back porch is kind of fun to me, you know, when it's raining. But I do have work I need to do, and I need to get out there. And I'm carrying a camera, so that would not be good to go out there in the rain with a camera. What do you think, inside outside dog? Bridge, what's your opinion? You don't care? I figured. Alright, so the rain finally let up after about an hour or so. So now I can go do what I need to do, which is get a video up. I'm pretty sure at this point you already know, but it's probably going to be quite a short video. But hey, it is what it is, right? So hey, I'm going to go put it together, and then I'll see you guys inside. And of course, it's my luck that once I'm done doing what I need to do out here, it's raining again. Not that I really mind it, it's just, you know, I got a camera. So, I wonder if there's a waterproof case for this camera. I don't know. I'll do research and find that out, because if there is, certainly would like to have one. Alright, so it is later in the evening, and I figured, since there's not much else going on tonight, that I'd go ahead and start reading a little bit of this book that I got from James for my birthday. And so I think I'm going to do that for tonight, and then call it a night. So, sorry there wasn't too much exciting footage for today, but hey, at least I got a lot more than yesterday. So, I will see y'all tomorrow.